the behalf of NALCO fraternity and all the people who are helping NALCO in achieving whatever we are doing today, all people who are directly or indirectly involved, all the partners of progress, everyone has contributed for the growth of the company so far. And now I am looking forward to achieving what we are designed to achieve. And now the government has mandated us to go for 4,80,000 tons of metric ton of metal, and we are going to achieve them in the leaps and bounds. Every time we are adding some more metal, and this time also we are going to better our performance. And we are supported by our coal mines, our own coal mines, to decide the price of the metal what we are going to produce to remain competitive in the market. We are also taking care of securing fuel security for us, and we are also expanding. And when we are expanding, we are also adding 1.5 MTPA smelter plant to our own area, and we are also acquiring land and other required resources which are giving to us. And state government and central government are immensely helping us in establishing this unit. We are keeping the welfare of the people who are directly or indirectly linked to this and going to be linked with this project. And we are giving one of the best rehabilitation packages what are available in the country.
ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ନମସ୍କାର ଆଉ ଏଇ फाउंडेशन समस्या मोर समस्त भाई को नालकोनिया मोर पेरिफेरी जो मैंने अच्छे प्लस ऑल द स्टेक होल्डर बिकज तांकर कंट्रीब्यूशन पे नालको आज जो पहुंची तांकर समस्त भूमिका अच्छी और तांकर स्पेशल कंट्रीब्यूशन पे नालको आज आमर ई स्तर में पहुंची और आगो को माड़ी उन्नत स्तर को ग्रोथ पाथ में चली जाऊँगी तो मोर कहवा कथा आम फ्यूचर आम स्मेल्टर प्लांट एक्सपेंशन प्रोजेक्ट भी ऑलरेडी आसूसी और पावर प्लांट एक्सपेंशन प्रोजेक्ट ब्राउनफील्ड एक्सपेंशन प्रोजेक्ट भी निकट में हवाक जाऊँगी तो ऑब्वियसली से जो कंपनी आगू जीव नेचुराली आम ऑल अराउंड पेरिफेरी लोकल समस्त डेवलपमेंट
नालकोर ये 45तम प्रतिष्ठा दिवस रे मोर समस्त नालको परिवार सदस्य मानक अभिनंदन। नालको ओडिशार अर्थनीति क्षेत्र में गोटे बड़ भूमिका ग्रहण करिछि एवं भारतर अर्थनीति को समृद्ध करिछि। मु भावुछि भविष्य में ये यात्रा जारी रहिबो एवं नालको प्रगति पथ आगे।